Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of crafting and creating. Ever wondered how aluminum castings are made? It's a fascinating process that combines art, science, and a bit of elbow grease. Stick around because today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of aluminum casting. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, there's something here for everyone. Ready? Let's dive in and get our hands a little dirty. First up, imagine the object you want to cast. This is where your creativity comes into play. Sketch it out, visualize it, and get a clear idea of what you want to create. You'll need to create a pattern of it. This pattern will be the blueprint for your casting. Patterns can be made from wood, metal, or plastic. Each material has its own advantages and can be chosen based on the complexity and size of your project. Remember, they should be slightly larger than the final product to account for shrinkage during cooling. Precision here is key to getting a perfect final product. Got your pattern? Great, let's move on to the next exciting step. Next, we have the pattern you just made. It's now used to create a mold. This mold will shape the molten aluminum into your desired form. It's now used to create a mold. The mold is crucial as it defines the final shape and details of your casting. One of the most common methods is sand casting. It's versatile and great for both small and large projects. You'll press the pattern into a sand mixture to create a mold shape. This step requires patience and precision to ensure all details are captured. Add a binder to hold the sand together and voila, your mold is ready. The binder ensures the sand holds its shape during the casting process. Now, onto the hot stuff. Aluminum melts at around 660 degrees Celsius or 1,220 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is necessary to turn solid aluminum into a pourable liquid. You'll need a furnace to get it to the right temperature. Make sure your furnace is capable of reaching and maintaining this heat. Make sure the aluminum is clean to avoid impurities in your casting. Impurities can weaken the final product and affect its appearance. Safety first, folks. Always wear protective gear and ensure proper ventilation. Safety cannot be overstated when working with molten metal, the thrilling part. Once your aluminum is molten, it's time to pour it into the mold. This is where the magic happens. Do this carefully and steadily to avoid turbulence, which can introduce defects. A smooth pour ensures a high-quality casting. Pouring molten metal is both art and science, so take your time. The more controlled the pour, the better the final product. Next step is let the aluminum cool and solidify. This is where patience is key. Rushing this step can lead to cracks or other defects. The cooling time can vary based on the size and complexity of your casting. Larger castings will take longer to cool. Be patient here, it's worth the wait. Proper cooling ensures the strength and integrity of your casting. After cooling comes, break away the mold to reveal your casting. This is the moment of truth where you see your hard work come to life. This might involve shaking out sand or even breaking the mold material. Be gentle to avoid damaging your casting. It's like unwrapping a present, but better. The satisfaction of seeing your creation is unparalleled. Lastly, we have your casting might need some additional work like trimming, grinding, or polishing. These finishing touches are crucial for the final appearance and functionality. These finishing touches will get you the desired surface quality and dimensions. Take your time to perfect your piece. And there you have it, the entire aluminum casting process. From concept to creation, you've seen it all. Each step can be tweaked depending on your specific requirements and the equipment you have. Experiment and find what works best for you. Interested in more detailed techniques? Feel free to ask in the comments. We're here to help and share knowledge. Thanks for watching and happy casting. Your journey into aluminum casting has just begun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and exploring new possibilities.